Elegant typography paired with beautiful botanical artworks never go out of style. And whether it is a vintage print or your own illustration, combining it with thoughtfully set type can turn it into a polished professional design, ready for sharing, selling, or printing. I am Zhenya from Attitude Creative, and as a graphic designer, I love using vintage imagery in my collages and designs, and over the years I have taught a few popular classes on this subject. And with this class, I invite you to explore combining botanical illustrations with strong minimal typography in Adobe Photoshop and creating striking compositions that are perfect for printed products such as greeting cards or posters, wedding stationery, packaging designs, branding elements, playlist or podcast covers, or social media graphics. In this class, I will start by sharing tips for sourcing high-quality, free-to-use public domain vintage botanical illustrations for your designs, and then step-by-step guide you through the complete process of working with your sourced images and combining them with digital type in Adobe Photoshop. And along the way, I will also share tips, tricks, ideas, and resources that will help you easily get on with experimenting with images, composition, typography, colors, and even messaging. Whilst I will cover a complete range of different techniques you might need to create refined work and complex layered designs, you can easily adapt the process and only use the techniques required for the design of your desired level of complexity, time you want to invest in your project, and your skill level. Whether you're a graphic designer looking to elevate your work with well-crafted vintage illustrations and stylish typography, illustrator or artist with a botanical portfolio looking to transform standalone artworks into complete designs, or a student exploring composition, typesetting, and learning Adobe Photoshop, this class is for you. I'm super excited to share with you this process of turning botanical illustrations into striking timeless designs, and I cannot wait to see what you will create following this class. So, join in and let's create something awesome!